Today we went back to Tha Rua, and I actually don't think that anyone has been here since I was here 4 months ago, because there is growing grass everywhere, and when we came, the owner he pulled out his tractor, as you can see, and he's trying to shave off the grass. So maybe I'll find my way around the track, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do some laps and see how it's going. It's going to be fun anyway. Okay, let's see what it is, if I can find my way around it. A lot of grass. Okay, this is the first moto, and there's a bit of grass on the track, but it's okay. But some places, especially in the in the rhythm section, in some corners there's a lot of grass, and I can't see the tops of the rhythm section, so it's a little bit difficult for me. But one thing that I really like is that it has been raining in the morning, so the track is actually soft. It's the first time I'm riding on a soft track, and that's really nice. I like that. It's supposed to be right down this 30 degrees Celsius, but it's hotter than something, and I'm sweating and sweating again. But this is fun. I'm gonna practice some technique today. I'm not going to go any fast, just do some technique practicing, because I really need that. So it's good, it's fun. Okay, this is it for today. Again, 3 motos. Very tired, as you can see, and the bike is a bit dirty. It was a good practice. Practiced a lot of technique, and feels good to drive and ride on this softer track, so that is good. I'm starting to feel that all my equipment I ordered online, because when we were living in Phuket, they didn't have a shop to sell any MX gear. My shoes, my boots are a couple of sizes too big, and now when I've used them for a while, I can start to feel that my feet are moving around in them, and that's why I'm getting stuck somewhere in the frame, so I need to change. And my trousers are too big too, so I probably need to find a shop, and we have here in Chiang Mai, so I should go there and take a look one day. So, but it was a good day. Probably I got a little bit better at this. So thanks for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.